up, you guys? It's Kyler James. I'm here at Criticalbench representing Move GST. Make sure to give these guys a subscribe down below. I'm about to show you how to do a V-sit. Okay, so the V-sit comprises two different elements. One is scapular retraction and depression, and the other is pike compression. So one way that you can work on the pike compression is, of course, we have to have actively long hamstrings. So forward folding, getting the hamstrings nice and loose before you start training the V-sit. It's going to be real important. Working on active flexibility, okay? So how long can you make your hamstring without pulling on something, right? Anything, leg lifts, ballistic stretching, things like that are all going to help really improve your hamstring length. Other aspect of it is going to be depression and retraction. Okay, so the way that I started out learning the V-sit was between two platforms. So say you've got two plyometric boxes or something like that. I want you guys to just learn what it's like to support yourself. Here, we can use these. All right, so parallel bars, parallettes. Just getting the feeling of supporting your own weight with your shoulders in extension is going to help a lot. All right, we can progress from there. Tuck the knees, learn the L-sit. That's going to be a foundation. So a V-sit is essentially an L-sit. You turn your hands around and you go a little bit, you bring your legs higher up. All right, so it's a bit more demanding, like I said, on hamstring length. I can show you guys what an L-sit looks like. So it's the plain L-sit. Start here. You're gonna have your hands pointed forward. You're going to protract, arch your back like this. So you make this as easy as possible. And you're just gonna push your shoulder blades down and pick your butt up off the floor. There's a few regressions for that. Push just your butt up. Another really good way to build pike flexibility is doing pulses like this. All right, so sit on the floor, put your hands down here. The closer you bring your hands to your body, the harder it's gonna be. So start here, and you're just pulsing, strengthening this hip flexor, right? The more I bring my leg back, the more hip flexor strength it requires, and the more I'm building that up. From there, yeah, I would say just start off doing tuck V-sit. So start on the ground. I usually set my arms like this, pull my shoulder blades together, and then you're just gonna slide back, pull your feet off the floor. See if you can just, one breath. Breathe all your air out. See if you can hold it until you have to breathe in again. Biggest trick is learning how to hold that while you're breathing. So if you can get, accumulate a couple of reps. As soon as you breathe in, end your rep. Start it over again, in a couple, give yourself a second to recover and go back at it. Yeah, V-sit is, in my opinion, one of the most undervalued hand balancing movements. Learning to control your scapula in that way is really going to help you adjust and master the handstand. So can't underestimate the value of learning the V-sit and the mana. So if you guys want to learn more, you really want to get the V-sit, you really want to get the handstand, the planche, human flag, you want to learn some movement, come check me out at Move GST here in Clearwater. Hit me up on Instagram, and make sure to give a subscribe to these guys here at Criticalbench. Doing a great job exposing local talent.